After Weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
All right, happy Tuesday, everybody. We are in store for another wet day. I know it really wasn't here in the Helena Valley, but for the rest of the state, there was quite a few thunderstorms yesterday. We actually do have a shower out there in the valley right now. There's the sunrise out there, but notice what's over here. Just a tiny little spot of some rain falling near Lake Helena out there. It's 59 degrees right now, so it's pretty warm, but we're not going to warm up too much later on in the day here. Great Falls, we're still pretty cloudy, some showers in the distance there too, 50 degrees for all of you. So we are pretty warm across the state right now as well, 50s and 40s for everybody out there. Wind is mostly calm too. We're gusting to maybe 17 miles an hour in Cut Bank and Great Falls right now. The wind isn't going to be so bad today, maybe a few stronger gusts up near the Rocky Mountain front and central Montana, but our front has made it through the state already, so not looking at too much. We have a little bit of a north wind near Roundup, Jordan, Lewistown out there this afternoon, and most of the same area, maybe a couple stronger gusts near Jordan going into tonight, but we'll have a wind developing on the Rocky Mountain front tomorrow once again. That could get a little on the stronger side going into tomorrow afternoon. So we do have a flood advisory for Belt Creek. This is the Little Belt Mountains actually right here. Showdown is to the south. Highway 89 is right here. Great Falls is to the northwest. We actually have the current traffic cam taking a look at things. We do have a little bit of snow out there, which is melting, but the reason why this flood advisory was issued is actually because we have some trees blocking the creek down there, so it could cause a little bit of some flooding issues, minor stream flooding down there. So if you're driving on Highway 89, just make sure you are heeding that warning. So the radar right now, a couple lightning strikes to the southwest of Butte, but other than that, our thunderstorm activity is at a minimum. We have some showers. We saw that on the camera near Helena right now. Most of that's just Virga though. We do have some shower activity in and around Great Falls. We saw that activity near the camera as well as Teton Pass getting a little bit of showers this morning. And up near the High Line, Chester getting in on those showers now. A few heavier showers just a few hours ago near Conrad and Cut Bank, but those have since decreased in activity as well. But we'll see some showers move on throughout the state later on today. We have some severe weather in Florida down there today. Could see some tornadoes. So we had that cold front move through. It's in pretty much through the eastern portion of the state right now, and it continues to make its way on out of here. But we do have another little disturbance that's going to cause some instability, thunderstorms later on this afternoon. Helena could see a few stronger storms make their way through earlier on, but we will have a couple rounds of these storms. It won't just be a one and done type thing, but notice this little cloud feature right here. We have a northwest flow in the higher parts of our atmosphere here, but that shifts towards the west here. And once that west shift happens, it's going to move everything on out of here, and by midnight, we should dry out. But a few rounds of storms aren't out of the question for Helena and Great Falls. Just a few showers remaining in central Montana early tomorrow morning, but they'll quickly dissipate after the sun rises. So we will have some thunderstorm activity today, some lower temperatures compared to yesterday, but still maybe a couple degrees above average here in Helena. Most of the state is looking at just about average temperatures. Tomorrow, most of us will stay dry. We have a little disturbance on the High Line up here, maybe a couple showers in places like Havre and Cut Bank, but most everybody should stay dry. We'll warm back up into the 70s. But unfortunately, that's not going to last forever, as we'll have the 70s stick around till Thursday, but we'll have another cold front moving through on Friday, which will lower us back into the 60s, low 60s, return for the weekend with some thunderstorms.